thinking? What were we thinking?
Oh, that link doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work? Shit. The Excel is linked into your resources page. Can you ever do that right in PowerPoint? If you go to the resource page itself, it'll be right there. So it's, I never. I hear murmurs. This makes me happy. Give me murmurs and why we're murmuring. Murmurers.
2% looks like 6%.
Say that again.
The 52%, 46% run out of 2.
Well, I'm guessing they have a third category of did not vote. What did that have, 98%? I bet you 2% of respondents did not respond, and they didn't mention that. I'm going to guess, Max. Thank you for catching that. I did not catch that. I ignore that because I just assume they do stuff like that all the time. Thank you, sir. Emily, talk to me.
Well, when you put in the sampling error, it makes it basically the same. So.
How dare you?
Yeah.
How dare you? No, Americans never put in sampling error. Good for you. Good for you. When you put in the actual margin, which is given to you, the margin of sampling error, which is just Gallup's word of margin of error, and you attach that 6% to either the 52 or the 46, all of a sudden, none of those claims are even true. Less than half Republicans. It might not be less than half. If you add 6 to 46, it goes to 52. A slight majority, 52. Well, that might not even be a majority. If you subtract 6, it goes down to what, 46? Yes. So these are vapid claims. Who do I always blame for this? Who do I always blame for this? Ted Turner. Why do I blame Ted Turner for all of this? He gave us CNN. We didn't need CNN. I don't need to hear this every day. I'm going to leave you with a visual. I'm going to leave you with a visual. This is how I like to think of margins of error and confidence intervals. I like to think of them as an aquarium. Okay? This is the aquarium of the percent pleased with Donald Trump. Goes from 40 up to 52%. That's, Emily, what you just told me to do, right? Add the 6% in. So you can see it clears 50%, it goes below it. The problem is we're never going to know the true percentage of the population that are okay with it, right? So I want you to think of that true percentage as a fish swimming around in that tank. Now, first of all, you're not even 100% sure the fish is in there. You're only 95% sure the fish is in there. Anybody have an aquarium? You ever come? My son has one, big 65-gallon. Johnny's had for years. There's usually about a dozen fish in there. And we always about 99.9% of the time, I can see all the fish in the tank. And then once in a while, I'm like, oh shit, we're missing the tetra. And then you got to go looking around. Oh, he's back here. He's dried up. He died last night, or he's belly up, or he's hiding under the rock. But this is the thing. This fish is the true percentage of Americans. You're not even 100% sure it's in the tank, but 95% of the time it is. But then once you know it's in the tank, you're not sure where it lies in the tank, just like a fish going back and forth in an aquarium. You know you're 95% sure it's in the tank, you just don't know with any certainty where it's going to be at any given moment. That's the problem with polls. It could be here, it could be here, it could be at 46, it could be anywhere. I just read a paper I might share with you all that the margins of error they give you on political polls are very often half of what they should be due to incorrect sampling of voters. So that 6% might be as bad as 12%, or maybe even worse. Just not to get, I guess my point about political polls is don't take them with any more than a very, very teeny tiny grain of salt because of Ted Turner and the damn instant news all the time. So think of the tank. Think of the tank. The tank helps us process. Cool? Okay, let's cut out a little bit early. You guys look completely glazed and frazzled. Were you able to upload the quiz to Blackboard? Good. I'll get those graded. I'll get all the quizzes graded tomorrow. I'll get the warm-ups graded. Paul, do you have Blackboard access now?
Yeah.
You do, so you can upload your stuff to Blackboard.
What do I put in?
This is nothing. Yeah, as soon as you did 1 and 2, you're golden. That's 10 points.
Oh, it's 2.
What's 2? That's what I'm saying. There's 8 points up here and 2 points here. That's a total of 10 points.
Well, where do I put it? What answer do you want?
What? So you 100%. That's it. Give me 100%, my friend. That's beautiful. So you're one of those 7 down there, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Love it.